What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video, and of course we're going to be working on the Miata some more. And one of the things that it's in our bucket list to do is these headlights. These headlights have to be restored. They're hazy, they don't look good, and as we modify the car, it's only natural to clean these up and make them look better. So today I'm going to be using this 3M polishing kit. Okay, so when you purchase this kit, this 3M restoration kit, this is what it comes with. It comes with some of these sanding discs. This is 500 grit, then it goes up to 800, and then it goes all the way to 3,000. Usually when I have done these, they have a buff pad and there's some rubbing compound and you buff them out. In this situation, they have this clear coat that you wipe on and it's supposed to keep the lenses clear for longer. So we're gonna try that out. We're gonna see how it works. And I have to say, it came with a glove, just one. I don't know what happened. Somebody has the other glove. If somebody has my glove, please send it to my place. It also comes with this attachment, and this goes on your drill, and the sanding discs get attached to this. This has a little bit of Velcro, and you're just gonna sand around the headlights. So you have this on and you sand around here and you buff them out and you make everything even, and it's pretty straightforward. So let me show you exactly how that works. All right, so right now I'm just gonna tape around the headlights. Bro, you gonna do something? You're just gonna watch me work. Dude, I would help you, but we only have one drill and one buffing pad. Oh yeah, duh. Here, let me help you out with that. Thanks, bro. All right, guys, so it's the next day and I let that gel, that clear coat dry all the way. And look at these. Look how bright, how crisp, how clear they look. This is insane. They look beautiful. It looks like they're brand new. They look really, really, really good. So again, guys, this is what I use and I got that. So I'm gonna put a link in the description. So if you wanna try this out, try out this product, you're gonna end up with some type of results like this. Very nice. And of course, we're just getting started with this vehicle. Look, we have some paint that is chipping away, and I'm gonna have to address it. I'm gonna have to paint the whole vehicle, but we're getting started in the right track. This is the right direction. We have those restored, those are good to go. Let's check out the light bulbs and see how well they work, because we might have to upgrade those. Yeah, those are a little dim. We're gonna need to do something about that. So some of the things that are up and coming with the projects, the G37 is this close in getting painted and getting primered. There's been a lot of rain here in Florida and I haven't been able to do much progress, so I'm working towards that. It all depends on the weather. So I'm hitting pause on that vehicle for right now. I do have the wheels, I do have a bunch of parts just sitting in boxes, believe it or not, for that vehicle to finish it. So I'm this close to getting it done, but we're gonna keep moving with the Miata and we're gonna keep going towards the ultimate goal of installing the turbocharger. And until the next one, we'll see ya.